Having my study models or my impressions poured into a stone, I'm going to first trim my upper model. So I'm starting off with this freshly poured model that has enough room on the base that I can actually get the angles. When I follow along all of the directions, there's 4 steps that I have to make in order to trim my study models. So the first step is trimming the back. I want to get the posterior perpendicular to the midline. So what I'm looking for is the back being completely straight and perpendicular to my midline. So let's go over to the trimmer and trim up step 1. The first thing I'm going to do is line my midline up with the center line on the trimmer. Notice that I have bare hands. I'm not wearing gloves doing this. It's a safety issue. I will have a mask on so that any spray does not get into my face. So I'm going to go straight in from my midline and I'm going to go straight back, making a flat edge. So I've trimmed this perpendicular, and every time I finish a cut, I get all of this extra kind of sludge on here. And I want to keep rinsing my model all the time, partly to keep it wet and partially to keep it clean. So I'm going to set this down on the counter now. And I'm going to take a pencil and I want to get it eye level looking at this to make sure that it's perpendicular, that my midline is straight up and down. Once I figured that out, I'm going to go on to step 2. I want to make sure that when I trim this, I want to stay away from this back portion, that I'm not trimming away my tuberosity, or on a lower that I'm not trimming away my retromolar pad. So I just want to get a nice flat edge here first without over trimming it.